I wish I had a way that could help my friend and others.
I know a way. Let's go to Orashore Technologies.
Let's go!
Orashore Technologies was actually founded in 1987 at Lehigh University.
What we do is we develop or we manufacture test kits.
Favorite part of my job is learning new things every day, being able to do things that have a positive impact on public health.
My favorite part of this job here at Orashore is that I have the opportunity to touch so many lives out there.
You know, I think without a doubt the work that we do here at Orashore is empowering global health.
So to be able to get up every day, do the things that you know you do well, work alongside a very motivated team, and to do something as meaningful as making the products that we have here at Orashore, that is pretty cool.
One person can make a big difference.
Within Bethlehem alone, we assemble 135,000 IntelliSwab devices every day.
Pause. 135,000 times 365 days in a year. That's a lot.
And when you love what you do, trust me, you don't mind. If the day is busy, if you have issues, or if things are not going how you expected them to go.
That you can take a concept that was thought at the bench in the lab, taking those ideas and then being able to then hand it over to another team that can then produce these in numbers reproducibly, which is the important part, that you know that batch after batch, they're going to be making the exact same thing at the numbers that they can make it.
What's so cool about manufacturing is that ability to use your unique talents and abilities to do something really meaningful.
What is so cool about manufacturing is that I get to use my science background and put it into making this world a better place.
But when people really work together as a team to bring something to life, to breathe life into it, that is pretty cool, and that's what's cool about manufacturing.
Thanks, Doc.